Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to integrate Webflow with Shopify. So what you're going to have to do is simply go to this website called Zapier, and then you're going to have to create your free account. And after that, after you create your free account, you're going to have to create a new Zap. So click on create and then simply select Zaps. And then here what you're going to have to do is simply click on the first one and search for Webflow. And then you're going to have to simply click on Webflow, and then here you can choose an event. So as you can see, you have different options. So you have from submission, new order, or updated order. So choose one of these and then click on continue, and then here you're going to have to connect your Webflow account. And after that, you're going to have to go to the second one and then choose Shopify, and then here you're going to have to click on choose event. And then as you can see, you have a lot of options here, and then you can simply choose one of these. And after that, of course, you're going to have to click on continue and connect your Shopify account, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.